Carfax One owner, only 57,082 miles. LTZ trim. Heated leather seats, satellite radio, premium sound system, auxiliary audio input, telematics, CD changer, head airbag, aluminum wheels. Edmunds Consumer's top-rated large truck. Click now. Key features include 4-wheel drive, running board side steps, flex fuel capability, premium sound system, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, CD changer, telematics, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, multi-zone AC MP3 player, rear seat audio controls, privacy glass, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls. Experts are saying, Consumer Guide recommended pickup. Thanks to its practical convertible midgate configuration, the Chevrolet Avalanche remains one of the most desirable crew cab pickups for carrying a